Casting is one of the casting is one of the oldest manufacturing process. Okay, so first question is, what is casting? How we define casting? Okay, so casting may be defined as a metal object obtained by allowing molten metal into a mold cavity or mold of the desired shape, size, then allowed to cool and solidify. Okay, so casting is a process by which a molten metal is poured into the cavity or mold, then we left the mold cavity with the liquid, okay, which we have poured into the cavity. Then as the time passes, it will contain the shape and size of the mold as it solidify with the passage of time. Okay, then we remove the solidify